Hi guys, welcome to this week's video, and yes, you've guessed it, it is another Primark haul. I went in there because it's nearly spring and it is nearly Easter, and I feel like once Easter comes and goes, I get really excited for like spring and summer, and I just had to go to Primark and buy some bits. I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got, and it is in this massive bag here. Oh my god, tell you how much I spent. I spent £57.50, and that isn't that much compared to other people who've been doing those. I spent £200 in Primark. Is it worth it? Primark's just worth it anyway. Just gotta look out for those bargains, and I literally did get some. So if you want to see what I picked up and what filled up that massive bag, then carry on watching. So the first thing I've actually worn because I got it like a couple of weeks ago, and it is the Gucci dupe belt that everyone has been going on about. It is £4, which is amazing, and it's this fake sort of leather material, and obviously it's got the two circles there. It is like probably my new favourite belt, and the only belt that I own because I don't really wear belts, but I've noticed that my jeans are sort of stretching around the waist, and they're from Zara, which is quite sad. So I needed a belt to sort of cinch in the waist, and this was amazing. Absolute bargain, because every single blogger has the Gucci belt, but I can't afford it, so decided to get this, and it was absolutely worth the purchase. It makes your outfits look like 10 times cooler than they actually are. I'll also show you guys the try on bit, so this is sort of like a try on haul, but I'm going to get the bits that I can't try on out the way first. And the next bit I picked up is actually homeware. Now this one I've actually seen in many interior magazines. I've seen it in Style at Home, one of my favourite ever interior magazines, and it's only £2, and it gives you affordable interior ideas from like Asda, Dunelm, even Primark, and they always have this feature where there is a person who lives in their house, and they show off their house, so they pose in like the living room, and then they pose in the kitchen, and you get to see their kitchen, their bathroom, the bedroom, the living room, and they give you top tips on how you can like decorate your room. Now this ticker piece was in a lady's kitchen in the latest issue, but I feel like when this video goes up it will be the previous issue, and it was like a little letterboard with like a fake menu, and it was exactly the same. Ow, I just hit myself in the cheek. It was exactly like this, and I saw this in Primark. I was like, that is like my dream kitchen accessory. Like I would want this in my future kitchen when I move out. And it was only £6, and you get 292 letters, which is absolutely insane. Like, think how much this would cost you in Oliver bonus, and this was £6 in Primark, and it's got really beautiful rose gold edging, and it's A4, and it will fit on my shelf where I keep all like my Zoella Beauty stuff, and I want to put it next to it and put like a cute quote. So I might find something really cute off Pinterest or something like that, and then put it in there, and maybe might have it in the background of my videos as well. Who knows? But yeah, that's an absolute bargain, and I know I'll have this for years to come if it doesn't break in that time. But when I move out in my future kitchen, it's going to be on my open shelf with my recipe books, having a cute little quote. Oh my gosh. My favourite quote is, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. I'm going to put that on there. I've literally thought it out. I'll show you guys at the end of the video if I remember what it would look like on there. But yay! I'm so excited to do that now. The other bits were like boring essentials. I got 5 pairs of arch support shoe liners because I got some from New Look, and then they got holes in, and I got some from Peacocks, and then they got holes in. So I just thought £2.50, can't go wrong for 5 pairs. I wear these like ankle ones to work every single day, and I think because I wear them so much, because I work so much, then like the holes come quicker, so I don't mind spending £2.50 on something if they're going to have holes, but they do feel a little bit thicker than my other ones. Fingers crossed they last a bit longer, but yeah, got those. I'm gonna go on to shoes now. So the next ones are actually for work, and it's these white trainers with like a holographic back, which are so freaking cool. Like, I think I've seen like more expensive ones with the holographic back, but there's like a logo on the back, and these are just like sort of like a cottony material. I got these in a size 4 and they fit me, which is really strange because I'm actually a size 5 and I've never had a smaller size in Primark fit me. But yeah, I got these because my current ones from Zara that I've had for 2 years, really disgusting and manky, and there's cracks all over them, so I thought I'd treat myself to these. These are like, how much were they? £12, which I think is actually really good for trainers, because just think how much you pay in like JD Sports or something and Adidas trainers. They're probably way more expensive, so I don't mind spending that amount, and they just look so cool, and they'll just be great for everyday use with my mum jeans, my dungarees. So yeah, bargain. These ones are actually very, very, very summery, but I've got to that stage where I'm bored of wearing flip-flops around the house, and I want to wear something out and about that is kind of like flip-flops but not. And also, I never go away and I never get the chance to go on the beach with a beach bag and just relax. So I wanted to get something with holiday vibes, but I'm not actually going on holiday. And I got these really cute pink sliders, like, and they actually say beach vibes on there. And they've got like a cottony sort of, would you say banner? Whatever the word is, but it says beach vibes on there. Let me show you. And these were £5, which is an absolute bargain. And I love their flip-flops, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted something different. And these sliders were absolutely perfect for what I was looking for. And they've got like a moulded bit here so your feet fit in. So yeah, these are perfect for like chilling in the garden and just taking out the rubbish, you know. But I feel like I'm on holiday with them. I am so sad. Now on to actual bits of clothing that I'm going to try on for you guys. And this lighting is really bugging me. But I'm going to go on to shorts. So these are a size 8 and they're the classic high waist shorts. And these were £12, which have been that price for like 2 years, which isn't that bad. And these are amazing quality, like denim shorts, which are amazing. And they have like an embroidered edge here, which I found is my absolute favourite style of shorts. And I had a pair in size 10, but I feel like I've lost weight because the bit around my waist is like that much of a gap. And yeah, I mean, I could wear my fake Gucci belt with them, which I will, and probably keep these. These are what the shorts look like on, and I absolutely love them. I'm so glad I got the size 8, and the detailing on the side with embroidery is so lovely. Like, I definitely can see myself wearing these throughout the whole summer. But I got these as sort of like a replacement for other ones I've got, which are like size 12 and 10, which are way too big for me now. And these fit perfectly, and yeah, they're just perfect for like everyday spring summer outfits. So got those. The other ones I got were these sort of jogger style ones. So these were £7, and again I got them in the size 8 because the 10 I have are so big on me, they're literally just falling down. And they are actually a very, very similar pattern to the ones I got 2 years ago. I just really like them. They got like a elasticated bit around the ankles, which I really like with the joggers that Primark do. These are just your cool basic like trouser joggers, and yeah, they just feel really amazing. I wouldn't call them joggers, I like lightweight joggery trousers, which are perfect for like summer, especially when it gets a bit warmer, especially when London has those strange heat waves. These are a proper summer staple that I have to have in my wardrobe, and every year I go to Primark I always have to pick up a pair. Now the last bit is actually my favourite bit of the whole haul. Like last year, if you guys remember, in my last spring summer try on haul, which I'll link here, I also featured products from Zara and H&M, This is very, very Zara-esque or Topshop-esque. If you saw these on someone in the street, then you'd be like, that looks like something from Topshop. Probably the Oxford Street branch where they do those crazy cool expensive clothes. But no, it's from Primark and these were amazing. Like the material is very similar to a skirt I got from Zara, I think 2 years ago now. And it is a very similar material except the skirt's more metallic, shiny metallic, and it's these gorgeous trousers here. Oh my god, just look at them. These are so cute. They got like corally pink, they have leaves, they have, I don't know what's on them, what else is on them, just like yellow, navy, and I actually got a size 6. I don't know if this is going to be a bit too small, but the size 8 I tried on in the changing room was a bit too big around the waist, and it's an elasticated waist. These are so freaking cool. I absolutely love these. I can't wait to take outfit photos in these, and I feel like Zoella would wear these as well. Like, I feel like this is her vibe. So yeah, I'm really, really happy, and I'm glad the size 6 fits. These are so like fashion blogger, like I can imagine myself shooting outfits, and they go so well with these and these trainers. Like, these were £13, which is an absolute bargain. These probably beat £30 in like Zara and Topshop, so I'm very, very happy with those. And that is my little spring summer haul. I'll probably go back to Primark when I get paid next month, because I want to save my money for other bits as well, but I'll just pick up pieces here and there and maybe do another collective haul. But this was done in 2 trips, the belt in 1 trip and the rest up in another. So I hope you guys got inspiration for what you want to pick up from Primark for spring summer. Obviously they'll probably bring loads more bits in, so I'll keep my eyes peeled for those. But I really think Primark up in their game recently. In the past 2 years, they have been absolutely amazing with their homeware, their clothes, so I'm so happy I've managed to pick up amazing bargains. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates for the next upload, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye! So before I finish the video here, I'm going to show you guys what I made on the letterboard, and it's actually amazing quality and absolutely in love with it, so I'll show you. So it's this here. I managed to make the quote, "My life gives you lemons, make lemonade," and I'm so happy with it. It looks so good over there. As you can see, the shelf is empty because I need to sort it out. But yeah, and the letters come like this. So you have to sort of like twist them off, which I don't mind because it makes it for easy storage for the ones you don't need. And yeah, I think this is amazing for £6. Like, Primark, you're up in your game seriously well. But yeah, okay, that is the end of the video from me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said 25 seconds ago or whatever, I'll see you next week. Bye!